Which city hosted the International Fleet Review, IFR, 2026? Answer: C. Vishakhapatnam. Who reviewed the fleet during IFR 2026? Answer: C. Draupadi Murmu. India hosted a major AI Impact Summit 2026 in which city? Answer: B. New Delhi. The AI Summit 2026 aimed to position India between which two global AI powers? Answer: A. USA and China. Which country's president visited India during February 2026 AI Summit? Answer: B. France. National Science Day in India is celebrated on? Answer: B. 28th February. Theme of National Science Day 2026 was? Answer: B. Women in Science, Catalyzing Viksit Bharat. National Science Day commemorates discovery of? Answer: B. Raman effect. India ranked 7th globally in R&D spending according to which organization? Answer: C. WIPO. Which country topped global R&D spending rankings?
Answer B. China.
Which Indian state became the largest wool producer in India?
Answer Rajasthan. Next question. India's unemployment rate dropped to about 4.8% in FY26 according to? Answer NSO. The 39th Surajkund International Craft Mela 2026 partner country was Egypt. Which Indian airline suspended flights due to Israel-Iran tensions in February 2026? Answer Air India and Indigo. Tensions escalated along the Durand Line between? Answer Afghanistan and Pakistan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited which country in February 2026? Answer Israel. India and Lufthansa Group signed an MoU to strengthen air connectivity. Which initiative focuses on AI-based solution for energy systems? Answer AI for Energy Mission. Which platform launched the Voice Era initiative? Answer Vashini. India's proposed Shahakar taxi cooperative is related to? Answer Cooperative Ride Hailing Service. India hosted the International AI Summit at? Answer Bharat Mandapam. India approved nearly 18 billion semiconductor projects under? Answer Semiconductor Mission. India AI mission was launched to promote? Answer Open Source AI Ecosystem. India is expected to experience above average temperatures in summer 2026 according to? Answer IMD. February 2026 was recorded as which warmest February in India since 1901? Answer 5th. Which organization granted payment aggregator license to InSolution Global? Answer RBI. Which Indian aircraft carrier was a highlight of IFR 2026? Answer INS Vikrant. Which naval exercise was conducted along with IFR 2026? Answer Milan. The Indian Ocean Naval Symposium conclave was held in? Answer Vishakhapatnam. Which day is observed globally as World Cancer Day? Answer 4th February. Which day is observed as International Day of Zero Tolerance for Female Genital Mutilation? Answer 6th February. The Union Budget 2026 focuses on which vision? Answer Vikshit Bharat. Which organization released the Global Innovation Index data on R&D spending? Answer WIPO. Which Indian city hosted Plast India 2026? Answer New Delhi. India launched a campaign to eliminate lymphatic filariasis by answer 2027. Which country seeks collaboration with India on multilingual AI models? Answer France. Which organization partnered with India to promote sustainable AI solution? Answer UNESCO. Which country aims to lead AI innovation among global South nations? Answer India. Which organization conducts the International Fleet Review? Answer Indian Navy. Which event showcases naval power through warship demonstration and flypast? Answer International Fleet Review. Which summit promoted a third way approach to AI governance? Answer AI Impact Summit. Which sector may suffer due to rising heatwave conditions in India? Answer wheat and crop production. Which global maritime events are hosted together in Vizag? Answer IFR Milan Ions. Which organization manages the Global Innovation Index? Answer WIPO. Which Indian initiative promotes ride-hailing cooperatives? Answer Sahakar Taxi. Which Indian carrier partnered with Lufthansa Group for better connectivity? Answer Air India. Which event celebrates discovery of the Raman effect? Answer National Science Day.